Thanks for joining me today here on the channel. I'm running through how I designed my pond that I set up out the front. Here's an initial concept design that I drew after watching lots of YouTube videos. So the four main components is I've got a plant pond, a fish pond, a radial flow settler to catch any solid waste, and then a bog or biofilter to house all the beneficial bacteria and also act as a mechanical filter too. This is the final look of how it all turned out, so please stick with me and I'll run through how I set it up. This video is basically going to be the setup of the pond, and I'm going to make a follow-up video that will show each component and why I chose to add that component to my pond. Here's the finished product. I've got currently 7 koi fish in the pond and 1 goldfish that I initially put in there while I was setting it up. So as you can see, I've got lots of plants in the pond, and stay tuned for the second video where I run through each plant and how I went about choosing those plants. There's the koi now. They're a bit skittish still, a little bit afraid of the camera, but you can see them there. Okay, so I got the air stone in there. I don't know if you can see that. That's my I'll put a tap on the end here, which will then suck up all the any solid waste. Most of the solid waste is going to be caught in the radial settler anyway, so I don't expect there to be too much going into this. So it's like a double filter, but just in case any solids get in there, there's a solid waste valve to remove it. The air is going to spit it all up anyway, so it's not going to settle in underneath there too much, I wouldn't expect. But we'll see what happens, hey? So now I just got to, I bought a threaded tap by mistake, so I got to buy a tap to block off that valve. I want to put an overflow onto this pond tub here, so if it rains the water's not going to completely overflow. Just a little overflow hole there, and this one's the same. I want to put an overflow spout up the top here, just to go back into the pond in case the bog filter does ever get blocked. You got a nice little spider living in there. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been working on this, so in the meantime Spider has come and called it his own. We'll have to relocate him before we put any water in, obviously. Hi guys, putting together the bog filter. I've got these loofah things, I guess they are. 3-pack. I might just leave them all in the 3 per pack. I might just leave them all in the massive big pack. So